Welcome to Tirapid. We are your trusted manufacturing partner, committed to providing efficient and flexible CNC machining solutions. Our team is ISO 9001 certified and dedicated to delivering precise CNC manufacturing services to customers worldwide. With world-class equipment, we handle both metal and plastic machining to meet your unique needs. Our engineers excel at 5-axis machining and specialize in ultra-thin plastic sheets and high-precision parts, bringing your designs to life flawlessly. From CNC milling to turning, our factory operates 24 hours, performing strict quality checks at every step to guarantee top-notch parts. Whether it's complex 5-axis components or precise plastic prototypes, Tirapid focuses on every detail to ensure premium results. Quality control is at the heart of what we do. Using advanced CMM and specialized measuring tools, we ensure every product meets the highest standards. Our skilled technicians excel in surface finishing and deburring, giving your products exceptional quality and performance. No matter your shipping needs, we offer flexible solutions with secure packaging and timely delivery. Tirapid provides 365-day after-sales support. Whether you need assistance or advice, our team is always here for you. With such a dedicated team, we offer flexible payment options, personalized service and solutions that exceed expectations. We are always striving to be your global manufacturing partner. No matter how complex your project is or how unique your requirements are, contact us today.